Hi everybody, welcome to Module 2. So I really have enjoyed looking over your discussions and getting to know you through the introduction post in Module 1. And your grades will be coming out in the next few days on those. So just a couple of reminders. I did send out an announcement, but if you do not earn full points on the Module 1 assignments, make sure you're carefully looking at the rubric. You need to make sure that you are responding to 2 peers each week. Watch your word counts, 200 words approximately for your original post, and 100 for each peer response. So adding some examples or personal experiences are a great way to add depth to the discussion and to also hit those word counts. Also in Module 2, we will be cracking down, make sure that you are including a reference. If you use an in-text citation, fantastic, I love that, but also make sure that you include the full source citation at the end of your post, very important. And we're just gonna get used to doing that because when we hit Module 6, I believe, you're going to have a short research paper to do. So we wanna get used to citing our references and citing anything that is not an original idea. So this week for Module 2, you will also have an additional assignment. Remember, each week there's a discussion and an assignment, but this week's assignment is just a brief online quiz. Obviously, it's open book. I do suggest that you read the chapter before taking the quiz, though, to make sure that you're successful. And this is more just on computer basics. So that's why I thought a quiz would just be probably the easiest way to evaluate your knowledge on that. As we look forward to Module 3, I usually do try to have 2 modules open, but give me a few days to get Module 3 open, because in that module, you are going to have a group project that we're going to be working on together. So as we have had some additions and some drops, I just want to make sure before I split up the groups that everyone who is assigned a group is actually still participating in the class and that I have everyone. So I should have those open. So Module 3, look for that to be open by midweek. And so far, everybody is off to a good start. Remember, if you miss any points for Module 1, just look at that rubric, and that way you'll be sure to get those in the future weeks. All right, great discussions. And as you look forward to the discussion this week, remember we are looking at some examples of informatics you have seen in practice. So it's not just the electronic health record. Think about all the different ways that we use informatics. This could be the telesitters. It could be through passing meds with the EMR. Maybe you work in emergency medicine and the crew on the EMS service is sending the EKG to the ER prior to the patient coming in. There are so many different ways that we use informatics in healthcare. So just put on your thinking caps and get creative and think about all the different ways that you see it where you work. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.